Welcome back to part 2 of the Scion rebuild, everybody. I am about to pull up to the junkyard where I have purchased the new sheet metal and things for the front end of this car. And I'm going to drive over to my buddy's house where it's stored and start assembling the car this afternoon. So we're about to pull up and I'll show you all the parts. All right, I got the parts all strapped in. Front bumper, front core support, hood. I ordered the wheel off eBay. So now we're on our way back to the house to start putting this thing together. All right, y'all, the car is running. I put the junkyard parts on and it's ready for its maiden voyage back to Panama City Beach. Car runs good. Here we go. We're starting the hour and 15-minute journey. Let's see if it makes it. Junkyard parts fit pretty well. All right, here we go. I know my hair is crazy. I've been under this car getting all the parts bolted back on, but this is the maiden voyage, so it seems to be running good. It's keeping temperature good, so we're going to get on the road and we got an hour and 15 minutes to go. And first I'm going to start by putting some fresh gas in it because it's been sitting, I think, for 2 years now. So we're going to put some gas in it and we'll be easier on her on the way home, but she's pretty quick. I'm happy with it. There's flies in here. All right, well, let's get to it. I'm gonna get to the nearest gas station. First gas station trip. Man, we need to wash this window. Going good so far, y'all. The tires definitely have some flat spots in them, but it's getting better as we go. With every mile, it's getting better. So I think I'm gonna stop by this self-serve car wash and spray it off real quick. And I think it'll make it look a lot better because it's covered in moss and dirt and leaves and all kind of stuff just from sitting under trees all these years. So we're gonna get her cleaned up and looking good again. To the car wash. I decided to go to the one by my house, so we're gonna wash it off and then go a little ways to my house, and then I'll give you all the before and after, so it's gonna look good. Finally at the car wash. This is the before. This thing is filthy. All right, I'll get it washed up and then I'll show you all the after in a minute. Well, she's all clean, everybody. I still got to hand wash it for sure. And I got the headlights and different emblems for the bumper too, but I just want to get it all cleaned up first. The car turned out pretty good. I got a lot of work to do on it yet, but I'm glad it made it home. Got the front bumper off right now. Putting in new fog lights. I got a new grille I'm about to put in. There's that side done, looking pretty good. And then headlights will be soon. She's coming together. We got the front bumper on with the headlights, the new grille, new fog lights. It's looking really good. Just a little bit left to go. The fuse block is okay, but the fuse box that it sits in was smashed up, so I'm about to throw that in real quick, and then we'll be able to put the battery cables back on and make sure it starts back up. Fuse block is in the fuse box, so I just gotta put the lid on, and then I got one more piece of wiring for the turn signal in the bottom of this side of the bumper. All right, y'all, the car's all finished. I'm gonna do a quick walk around for y'all, but it turned out really good. I'm really proud of it. So this car is gonna probably go up for sale so I can move on to the next project.